You can see that I am uploading a new video on one of my another channel in Hindi language, The Guru, and here you can see the processing 34 minutes left. Nowadays when I upload a new video to my this channel, then I just press next after uploading the video and set the visibility to schedule it for the next date, let's say 22 May, and any time, let's say 2 p.m., and press the schedule button. And here in the content section you can also see that I have another video for schedule on 22 May 10 a.m. So why I do this, that is what this video is all about. I click the edit button and this video has already been processed because I have already uploaded it 2 hours ago. So if I go to the subtitle section here, then you can see that it has detected the language of the video, which is Hindi, and generated the automatic captions. So if I click here, then you can download these subtitles. Let's say I download them in SRT format and click save as. I download them in the download folder with this name and press the save button, and now I can open it right from here. So you can see the entire script here, all the subtitles of the video. So now let's say if I want to create the same video in English language, and I want to use this script, and I also want to use AI to improve the script in English when creating the video in English language. So what I want to copy the entire subtitles here and want to give them to ChatGPT. So let's say I select the first 50 rows here and press Ctrl C, and here I go to ChatGPT and here I click paste, Ctrl V, and ask him what is the above all about. So there is a limit of the text that you can give in a single prompt, so please take care of that. And you can see that it has identified the entire script and what is the meaning of that script, and even though I have just given him a part of the script, so next I can again give him 50 more rows here and tell him part 2. So here's the detail of part 2. So I can also ask him tell me the summary of both parts. I can also ask, can you please rewrite this video script in English so I can record the audio. So here you can see that how it has translated the entire script from Hindi to English language, and I can use it for my English video on the same topic. So I also wanted to tell you that when I copied and paste the script, you can see the timestamps and these line numbers here. So let's say if I open Excel and paste this entire script here, Ctrl V, and now I want to find out all these rows which has the timestamps, and for that I will press Ctrl H to open the find and replace dialog box, and I will choose the replace section here, and in the find what I will type 00:* to find all the rows having the 00 colon value in the beginning, and I want to replace them with empty, so that will delete all these value, and I will press replace all. So you can see now what I want to do, I want to remove all the empty rows here in between the data, and now I will press Ctrl G to open the go to dialog box, and here I will click on this special, and here I will choose blanks and press the OK button, and now I will right click on one of the selected cells and will choose delete and will choose entire row. Now I will apply the filter here and will click the drop down button, and here you can see the filter. I will choose unselect this select all option here and will only choose the numerical values manually, and that is the only way to do that. And now I can select all of them and can delete them, or you can clear the filter and you can click sort that way, and that way the numerical values will go down. And now I will delete all of them, but that way your script will get disturbed because they will also get sorted. So the other way was the good one. You can also use the arrow key and the space key to make a check mark. Hit the OK, and now I will select all of them and will delete them. And I will clear the filter now. और अब ये हमारे पास, and now we have the entire script, and now I can copy it from Excel and can paste it in Microsoft Word. So why I'm doing this? Because that way ChatGPT can better understand what is the above all about, and you can give more text in one prompt. However, it can also understand them with these timestamps, but I think it will be better to tell you this way of using the subtitles through the Excel by removing the unnecessary lines. So what is the benefit? The benefit is that, like, if I give him script like this, later I can ask him anything like suggest me 10 optimized titles for the above video. So you can see, and I can also ask him write a detailed description for the above, and this is just a part of the script. And you have seen that the script was very long. That was a 16 minutes video, and we just copied a little part of the video, and you can see the detailed information it is providing us. So here is the description. I can also ask him, can you suggest me relevant search keywords tags in CSV format and in lowercase. So I can also ask him, can you please write a detailed description of the video in Hindi language. So you can see, so let's go back to the YouTube studio here, and that is why I nowadays use and schedule the videos, so later I can go to the subtitle section of that video and then copy and paste the subtitles and give them to the ChatGPT to improve the metadata of my videos. Specifically, like I mostly nowadays write the description, title and tags by asking them from the ChatGPT. So that is how you can take the benefit of AI before publishing the video, by scheduling them and then grab the subtitles and then give them to ChatGPT, or you can give them including the timestamps, or you can use the Excel to remove the timestamps as I have shown you. So I hope you will like this tutorial. Let me know by liking, sharing and commenting on this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorial videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye and take care.